About 20 million people in the United States, including more than half of all diabetics, suffer from neuropathy. It can cause weakness, numbness, and pain in hands and feet. Now a new therapy is helping people get back on their feet. For some, it's like electricity or pins and needles. Others feel like their feet are on fire.
The pain can shoot right through my legs.
For Eddie Jeffcoat, just walking across the street was almost impossible.
I might not make it back to the other side.
Eddie has neuropathy. Damaged nerves in his feet have left him homebound for the last 3 years.
It came where I couldn't stand, I couldn't walk.
But now he's walking his dog Bear.
I couldn't do this before.
Even enjoying his treadmill time. And he's done it all in just 90 days.
It's incredible. Most patients start to see results literally with the first treatment.
Dr. Mark Ott says the new treatment for feet and hands centers around an electric stimulator called the ReBuilder. It measures how a person's nerves are abnormally firing, then sends an electrical frequency to get the nerve back into a normal firing pattern.
So for each patient, the way that the unit actually fires is different. It builds a pattern that's specific to you.
While Eddie's still not up to full speed, he's lost 40 pounds and his pain level's been cut in half. This home unit could help reduce the pain even more. In the meantime, Eddie says the ReBuilder has made life a lot more bearable.
Come on, Bear.